Hey guys, good morning. I wanted to go over your assignments for today. So today is actually National Chicken Dance Day. How crazy is that? So here are some fun ways you guys can celebrate. Yeah, there is a chicken dance with Maximo, two read alouds, and more stories about chickens. And then this would be a fun little craft you guys could make. And here is a not live. That means it's not going on right now, but there is a chick cam on Animal Planet. So that will be fun. And here's an example of a lifestyle of a chicken craft. You guys could try to make that today if you wanted to. But remember, everybody's assignments this week are just extra, okay? So don't worry if you don't have time to do that today or don't have a computer to use later. I wanted to remind you about the talent show next week. If you would like to be a part of our class, we are going to do it with Miss Strickland. So it'll be 2 classes. If you want to be a part of the talent show, let me know. And even a talent like reading a part of your nonfiction teaching book that you guys wrote during the break. That would be a fun thing to do to show the class what you guys wrote as your book if you're not sure what talent that you could share with the class. But I only have 4 people from my homeroom that want to do a talent. So I would love, love, love for more people to sign up to do a part of the talent show. It could be as short and quick as you want. And everybody's is going to be pretty short because we just have a short time together. So I want all of you to try to think of maybe something you could show us or share with us that would be you could do as part of our talent show. That's all for now. Have a good National Chicken Dance Day, everybody.